Road in Hokon Arling area washed away due to heavy rainfall on 10th and 11th July. No sign of reconstruction so far. HSLC and HSSLC successful candidates felicitated at Deopani on 13 July 2022. Citizens of Deopani demands an executive member of Karbbi Anglong Autonomous Council ladder for Sarban Telenga MSA. Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching Karbbi Anglong Live English Prime Time with Julie Bapi. Now the news in details. The road in Langtuk Bay village, Hokon Arling, Nahor Langsu, equipped with a single culvert had been washed away due to heavy rainfalls on 10th and 11th July. The area was 5 kilometers away from Koilamati. This had blocked the villagers from crossing over to the other end of the road. 4 days had passed since the incident took place, but so far PWD Road Division kept quiet on this issue. The single culvert system embedded on the road connecting Langtuk Bay village for a crossing of water had been washed away due to heavy rainfall on 10th and 11th July. This had added a new challenge to the people of Langtuk Bay village and its adjoining villages. It was reported that the culvert was blemished since a week, but before the repairing could be done, the culvert was destroyed and a portion of the road was washed away.
Kedam tang telo June chuklo June weta pono adhaan nar captain patun mi nong we tarik cap anong we ke bere pon tu khak hangyang lo gari motor ta chelengon ide lason lo la pe aparta nadak baida tung se tame kang doi dunang agdom bang pli bang tho lason ke cherap lason se dulo la sila bang so to war fan na tum government sorpen ta bang so to war fan ke mesen atwar na pi thegio fan si tuning ridulo.
The road was the lifeline for 6 villages. It had caused lot of troubles to the villagers. Four days passed since the incident had taken place, yet there is no any step taken from the Borbathar PWD Road Division in repairing the road. This indicates a clear sign of negligence towards their duty by the PWD Road Division. If the reconstruction of the road keep on delaying, it is certain that the ailing patients would be suffering the most. Village headman of Tereng Langso, Singh Rongpi appeals the concerned authority to fill up the affected areas and to put on at least 3 culverts beneath the road to avoid such type of incident in near future.
Inglonga tawara kasi sakna jok penang anak kisung dolo la selada karbhar long la ke liba khoba karbhar binangi sin ni detum nili ronga sar hen penta chani ri kollo landon konser cari bom atum sar atum gadog ve ke dinga tum do ansta nitum inglonga rar phat ni insora ka sotwar prab din pen non ka so chek lo ma nitum kidam ke bang penang an kasi sak dolo non sitan litum ba sita chwan ildalo.
Samson Ingtis report from Koilamati for Karbbi Anglong Live. Felicitation program was organized by All T-Tribe Students Association, which is also known as ATSA, to felicitate the successful candidates of HSLC and HSSLC on Wednesday at Number Nadi Bagan Mini Stadium Hall, Deopani. Under the initiatives of Assam T-Tribe Students Association, ATTSA, Bogajan Branch Committee in collaboration with Sa Janajati Mahila Samiti jointly organized a felicitation program to felicitate all the successful candidates of HSLC and HSSLC on 13 July at Number Nadi Bagan Mini Stadium Hall, Deopani. The event was chaired by Biren Datta, ex-principal of Deopani College. Sarban Telenga MSc attended the event as an invited guest of the program. Rakesh Mohananda, President ATTSA, Bokajan Branch Ranjit Singh, Social Activist, Jodu Saikia, President of AJYCP, Borbathar Branch Pintu, Senior Teacher and notable dignitaries from the region also attended the event to grace the occasion. As many as 20 students were felicitated with Pulan Gamosa, file and with a certificate of acknowledgement. Anantarang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. As tension arose among the MSCs over the selection of their executive membership at Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for the term of 2022 to 2027, supporters from their respective constituencies had expressed the demand of providing executive member ladder for their elected local representative. On 12th of July, around 3:30 p.m., press conference was conducted by the citizens of 24 Deopani constituency at Deopani. The press conference was called by BJP Mohila Morcha, workers of BJP from Bensing polling station and leaders from different communities. They put forward the demand to provide an executive member ladder to local MEC Straban Telenga. They appealed the CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, to accomplish their desire.
La press meet, la press person tum hansa media person tum hansa me kevang apot choro party lo nili paklangji alam theke la pulo ni tuma long emile sir dam sami to lo pokatan honesty pen la si ituma non kachato ju ni tum MSC sir so don telenga alang ni hansa me ni tum EM bang pivek nang po posin ni tum bang ke Mohila Morcha pen ang chunori iglo.
They informed that it had been a while since there is no EM word given to the representative from the Deopani constituency. This had consequently resulted in reluctant development within the constituency.
EM বা কার্যবাহী সদস্য নিজের কারণে আমার দেওপানি সমষ্টি অতি পিছ পৰিছে সেই গতিকে এইবাৰ আমি আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাস কাউন্সিলৰ CM অতি মৰমৰ অতি আদৰৰ ডক্টৰ তুলিৰাম ৰংহাং দেৱক আমাৰ ফালৰ পৰা আমি শ্ৰী সৰ্বন তেলেঙ্গা দেওপানি সমষ্টিৰ যি প্ৰতিনিধি তেখেতে বহুত ভোটত জয়যুক্ত হোৱাৰ বাবে তেখেতক কাৰ্যবাহী সদস্য দিবৰ বাবে আমাৰ ফালৰ পৰা আমি অনুৰোধ জনাইছোঁ।
Therefore, the citizens of the Deopani constituency appeals the CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, to induct local MEC of Deopani, Straban Telenga, in the executive member berth for the term 2022 to 2027.
Lasi alang litum jongsi nilitum aphan jongsi nilitum constituency phan jongsi EM na pi pondet pulo tangte nilitum rong rup towar lang ke junje to aphan mate lang kiba towar rong rup tiklar je phan ke alang li nilitum phan nang lang pon po.
Sanjay Crow's report from Deopani for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have it is for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.